Which monument is known as the symbol of love? A. Qutub Minar. B. Red Fort. C. Taj Mahal. D. India Gate. Answer C. Taj Mahal. Where is the Sun Temple located? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Odisha. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Answer B. Odisha. Which of the following is the tallest minaret in India? A. Charminar. B. Fateh Burj. C. Qutub Minar. D. Vijay Stambh. Answer C. Qutub Minar. Who built the Gateway of India? A. Mughal Empire. B. British government. C. Marathas. D. Portuguese. Answer B. British government. Charminar is located in which Indian city? A. Lucknow. B. Hyderabad. C. Delhi. D. Bhopal. Answer B. Hyderabad. Which fort is also called the Golden Fort? A. Agra Fort. B. Chittorgarh Fort. C. Jaisalmer Fort. D. Red Fort. Answer C. Jaisalmer Fort. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer A. Maharashtra. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Shah Jahan. D. Aurangzeb. Answer C. Shah Jahan. What is the architectural style of the Meenakshi temple? A. Indo-Islamic. B. Dravidian. C. Mughal. D. Gothic. Answer B. Dravidian. Which monument houses the largest mosque in India? A. Jama Masjid, Delhi. B. Charminar. C. Fatehpur Sikri. D. Gol Gumbaj. Answer A. Jama Masjid, Delhi. Where is India's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, located? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer C. Gujarat. The rock-cut caves of Elephanta are dedicated to which deity? A. Vishnu. B. Shiva. C. Krishna. D. Buddha. Answer B. Shiva. The Lotus Temple is a place of worship for which faith? A. Buddhism. B. Christianity. C. Baha'i faith. D. Sikhism. Answer C. Baha'i 1/4 A faith. Fatehpur Sikri was built by which Mughal emperor? A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Humayun. D. Jahangir. Answer A. Akbar. Which monument has an echo dome and whispering gallery? A. India Gate. B. Gol Gumbaj. C. Charminar. D. Qutub Minar. Answer B. Gol Gumbaj. Where is Victoria Memorial located? A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Delhi. Answer C. Kolkata. Which UNESCO World Heritage Site is located in Khajuraho? A. Cave temples. B. Forts. C. Group of monuments. D. Buddhist monasteries. Answer. C. Group of monuments. Which fort in Delhi is associated with the Indian Independence Day speech? A. Siri Fort. B. Purana Killa. C. Red Fort. D. Tughlaqabad Fort. Answer. C. Red Fort. Hawa Mahal is also known as A. Palace of Dreams. B. Wine Palace. C. Light Palace. D. Fort of Mirrors. Answer. B. Wine Palace. Where is the India Gate located? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. Answer. B. Delhi. Which monument is considered the largest monolithic statue in India? A. Bahubali, Shravanabelgola. B. Buddha statue, Hyderabad. C. Nandi at Lepakshi. D. Tiruvalluvar statue. Answer. A. Bahubali, Shravanabelgola. Which temple is famous for erotic sculptures? A. Konark Sun Temple. B. Brihadeeswarar Temple. C. Khajuraho Temples. D. Jagannath Temple. Answer. C. Khajuraho Temples. The ruins of Nalanda University are located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Odisha. D. West Bengal. Answer. B. Bihar. Where can you find the Iron Pillar of Delhi? A. Humayun's Tomb. B. Qutub Complex. C. India Gate. D. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Answer. B. Qutub Complex. Which Indian temple is known for its hanging pillar? A. Meenakshi Temple. B. Lepakshi Temple. C. Somnath Temple. D. Sun Temple, Modhera. Answer. B. Lepakshi Temple.